Add a guest to in your live video. Okay, thank you, Instagram. Okay, hello everybody. It's Thursday today, and I had really leg workout today. That's making me pain. So today I have not used any filter to see how am I looking, because sometimes we use so many filter that we don't know. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so we don't know actually how we look, right? Because these days mobiles are having a lot of filters to choose. I use filter because I feel lazy to do makeup. For me, makeup is just to put a lipstick or a kajal. But I thought today I will just do live without any filter and see myself how am I looking, and you can also see how am I looking. Good morning, Jane. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, so I'm sorry I'm late today. I'm supposed to do live at 9 and I got stuck with something. My niece lost her ring in the morning and we were searching that. So when you are in tension and you search something you don't get, you have to just relax, go back and... Okay. Hi Arsu. So we need to recreate the event and just see where it is, and finally we found it. So always don't get... Good morning, Swati. Happy morning to you also, Arsu. So as I'm doing this series on self-motivation, so we saw the first step is to go to your deathbed. So don't keep things to you. Start expressing. You look amazing, Usha. Thank you, Swati. So as you, whatever you want to wish, if you're looking for a weight loss, or if you're looking to make any change in your life, just fix the goal and start working towards it. Don't wait, I will do next year. My niece has a dress and she says every December she will be wearing, and she has not yet wear. I'm asking her to give me. I am reducing it. Just give the dress to me. So what happened? If you do not do it right now, then you are not going to do ever, because you never thought about it. Second, we saw... I'm sorry, I forgot. I need to go back and look myself. Okay. So today, what is the third step? Second step, I will recollect while I'm telling, then I will just tell you. So today is telling true lies. So I don't like lies. I know most of the girls and women don't like lies, and men's always lie, right? But we need to start telling true lies. So what is true lies actually means? Okay, if you inspire to be somebody, you should start imitating and feeling like somebody. Perfection. Okay, thank you, Swati. When I say okay, see, I don't come from a very rich family. I come from very humble family. Okay, my dad was not in officer grade, but I had friends in officer grade. But I always said inside me that I am an officer kid, and I try to imitate them, how they dress, how they talk, and everything. So what happens is you start developing those skills. So true lies make you a person you want to be, because our subconscious mind believes what we say. If I keep on telling I am fat, then I am fat. You don't believe. From childhood I've been telling myself I am fat. It is just this COVID has changed me so much, where I don't say I am fat. The moment I have stopped telling myself fat, I don't feel I am fat. I don't regret about my body, because I am working towards it and I am imagining what. So you need to start telling true natural beauty. Okay, thank you, Arisu. Nobody likes natural beauty. Everybody wants a different product. Okay, so what happens when we start telling true lies? We are preparing our subconscious mind to believe something which we have, because every day we keep on telling same thing. It does happen. In childhood, people say like Saraswati baith jaogi, mat bolo. That's true. In what sense? Because whenever we keep on telling things to our subconscious mind, it does happen. So when you start telling these true lies to yourself, you start believing you are that person, and you will start behaving like that. Okay, so if I talk about a career perspective, if you want to look at it and you say, okay, you are at a senior level, you want to be a team leader or a manager, you need to start behaving and telling that you are a leader and you want to be there. If you start doing that, you will be there. So until you tell yourself, because what happened, no, we start saying that, okay, I can't do it. See, I have phobia of height, and whenever I climb stairs or any height place, I used to get scared. But recently, like last February, I did paragliding. That was the wildest thing I have done in my life. So I conquer and said a lie to me, yes, I can fly, I can do it, because my weight was my consciousness that what happened, the parachute will come down, all those negative thoughts. I'm sorry, my network had issue, so I just switched on to mobile data. So when I did paragliding, I did had this consciousness, I am so heavy, and what happens when the parachute is going to come down, or I'll fall down, I will die, what will happen? So I was having so much negative thoughts in myself, and I started telling lies to myself. I can fly, I have reduced weight, I am lighter now, and it is perfect. So many people are. So when I boost myself with the true lies, I was able to do paragliding. If you see my video, at the last minute, I'm asking the captain, can I change? Can I ask somebody to do? Because I was so scared. But when I did it, it was like hell lot of me I've taken, and now I'm no more scared of height or something. I can fly the higher. So what happens when you try telling true lies to yourself? You boost yourself so much, and then you try to attain your thing. So this is very important part of self motivation, because motivation, you can listen some song or you can listen some speech, it stays for some minute. You will be so pumped up, and after that it goes off. It is something you need to practice, because not everybody you have all around you telling, okay, come on, you do it, okay, come on, do it. See, I am not, I play all sports. See, people judge me out of my weight that I can't do anything. I have better stamina than a thinner person. I can run, I can jog, I can jump. So when I was in 12th standard, there was a relay happening, and new school for me, and I was being introvert, how to engage with the student there, and they didn't had a choice. So already I have my conscious that I am fat. Then I thought, okay, my team needs me and I should do it. I don't know what came inside me, and I just ran to my life, and my PT teacher mouth was like this, and he said, Usha, you run, you should participate in sports. So what happens when you push your limits? You surprise people, you surprise yourself. So try telling more true lies to you, which you want to be, to self motivate. Because not fat, okay, I am fat, Arsu, but I don't believe I am fat. I am working towards it. Okay, so start self motivating yourself, and it's not just motivating, start taking actions so that you can achieve what you want. So hope this helps you all and you start taking a lot of actions. See you tomorrow. And seriously, I'm blank, I don't remember the second point, so tomorrow I will cover that. Bye bye, take care. If anybody has any question or something before I log off, let me know. And also, if you have friends who want to listen this, please share to them. Hi Bhavesh. How else is there? That's all. Okay. Nice, lovely talking to you all. You speak Tamil. Okay, it speak. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா பேசுவேன். ஆனா some words I may not pronounce properly. அதனால நிறைய தமிழ்ல நான் பேசுறது இல்ல. Because I don't want to disrespect your language. I manage to language because my colleagues, my friends make fun of my Tamil. அதனால நான் அவ்வளவா தமிழ் பேசுறது இல்ல. ஓகேங்களா அர்சு? नहीं मैंने मोबाइल नेट लगा. Wow, super. Okay, thank you. Fine, thank you so much. See you tomorrow then. Bye bye, take care.